Hello and welcome to our informative video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to dive into a solution that can save your company billions of dollars, boost your productive capacity, and significantly reduce workplace stress. Yes, we're talking about preventive maintenance checklists. Throughout this video, we'll explore what these checklists are, why they're crucial for your business, and how to create one that's both effective and efficient. Now let's get right into it. Are you tired of unplanned equipment downtime hurting your bottom line and causing considerable stress? You're not alone. It's estimated that companies lose close to $50 billion annually due to this issue, with downtime eliminating between 5 and 20% of an average factory's total productive capacity. But don't worry, there's a solution: a preventive maintenance checklist. So what exactly is a preventive maintenance checklist? It's a detailed list of tasks that your technicians must complete during a maintenance check. This includes both time-based or routine tasks and condition-based or non-routine tasks. The goal is to ensure that critical issues are both prevented and corrected, thereby preventing costly and potentially dangerous problems in the future. Now, you might be wondering why preventive maintenance is so important. Here's a fact that might surprise you. Well-developed preventive maintenance plans offer up to a 545% return on investment. This means that each dollar spent on preventive maintenance saves $5 or more in the future. Let's consider a vital piece of equipment that costs $275,000 to replace, not including the lost revenue from production downtime. Without maintenance, it may last 5 years. But with preventive maintenance that costs $4,000 per year, the machinery can last up to 10 years. The total savings over 10 years would be close to $235,000. Not including the savings from continued production and lack of downtime. But the benefits of preventive maintenance don't stop there. It also helps reduce the incidence of human error, improve workplace consistency and continuity, make inspections quicker, improve troubleshooting practices, streamline preventive maintenance planning, and ultimately improve equipment reliability. So, how do you create a preventive maintenance checklist? Here are 6 tips to get you started. First, involve the right people in the process. Your maintenance manager, supervisors, senior technicians, and maintenance planner can provide valuable insight into which tasks are necessary for each asset. Second, be detailed but concise. You want to be as specific as you can without creating a massive block of text for your technicians to read through. Third, include pictures. Photographs or diagrams of the equipment and its components can help make your checklist as clear and easy to use as possible. Fourth, include safety measures. Make sure you're aware of any safety measures that need to take place and include them in your checklist. Fifth, make your checklist mobile. An asset operations management solution like UpKeep can help you digitize existing checklists and create entirely new ones. And finally, update as needed. Your preventive maintenance checklist should be regularly updated based on equipment changes, company growth, issues that your maintenance team experiences, standard operating procedure updates, and production processes changes. Now let's talk about how to create a preventive maintenance checklist. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all maintenance checklist. The perfect one depends on what type of equipment or facility you're using. Here are some steps to develop your own preventive maintenance checklist. First, have a clear objective. What do you want to accomplish? Some potential goals might include reducing maintenance costs, improving schedule compliance, minimizing production rejects, increasing equipment uptime, reducing the incidence of faults, and improving safety. Second, audit your equipment. Document your equipment and the state of your operations as they currently stand. Third, note any applicable standards and regulations. Most facilities need to meet strict health and safety requirements, and in some cases, that will mean keeping certain pieces of equipment in good repair. Fourth, select assets. Choose high-priority assets and systems where a checklist would make the greatest impact. Fifth, outline preventive maintenance tasks for each asset. Some common tasks include inspection items, lubrication, metering and condition monitoring, tuning and adjustments, changeover tasks, and recurring part replacements. Sixth, offer clear instructions for checklist items. Each item on your checklist should be detailed enough to let technicians know exactly what they're supposed to do, an estimation of how long it will take, and the items should be arranged in a sensible, sequential order. Seventh, train your personnel. Once you have your checklist created, you'll need to make sure your maintenance team uses them properly. And finally, track the results and adjust. As with any new maintenance process, you'll want to track the results of your checklists as they're put into use. Remember, UpKeep provides preventive maintenance checklist templates for you. With our cloud-based asset operations management system, you can manage your preventive maintenance schedule from the office or on the go. Schedule a demo to learn how you can improve work order accuracy and maintenance process consistency with UpKeep's customizable checklists. And finally, make your maintenance checklist mobile. You can put checklists in the palms of your technicians by adding maintenance checklists to your account on UpKeep. To get started, create a free UpKeep account. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of preventive maintenance checklists and how they can save your company billions of dollars, boost your productive capacity, and significantly reduce workplace stress. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your business, visit upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you optimize your maintenance operations.